Welcome back. Now we're going to take a look at the research resources that are available to you through the library. We have over 150. That's over 150 resources that support the different programs here at Regis. But which one's right for you? Sometimes it's hard to pick them out, so we have created a series of research by subject guides to help you with the process. The best place to start is our Research by Subject section. It's available under the Research heading on the main page. If we click on this, we'll get a table of all the different areas of study here at Regis. This is great if you know exactly where you want to go. Say you're studying psychology, you could just go to the Psychology Guide. Sometimes, though, you might have a research question that doesn't fit into a category or you're not sure where it might fit. This would be a great time to contact the librarians. Again, you can use the Ask Us option that's on the left side of every page and either call us, email us, or chat with us, and we'll give you suggestions on where to go to start your research. We can go back to the Research by Subject page. You can also get there using the Library Quick Links, selecting Research by Subject. Here we are at that table again. Let's go down to Psychology and show you how our subject guides are set up. For each guide, you'll come to a welcome page. This will have some information that's good places to start. It includes quick links for services that you've seen before, like our electronic reserves and interlibrary loan. You'll also have the Ask Us information for our phone number, our email, and our chat for the reference department. You'll also see a profile for a librarian on most guides. This is the subject specialist for this area, and it's someone else you can contact if you have questions. Also on the front page, you'll often find a suggested resource that's the best one for your area. In this case, it's PsycInfo for psychology. Let's use the tabs to navigate the guide, starting with the Articles tab. The Articles tab will show you the top resources for looking for articles in an area. Again, we see PsycInfo listed at the top for psychology, but we see some other ones that we'll explore in another time. We also have other resources listed down below. These might be useful depending on where you're going, but look at the ones at the top for your first research choices because they're most likely to be more relevant for your research. Another tab is the Books tab. This gives you examples of good reference books for this area, ways to search our library catalog, and ways to search the Prospector catalog. If you scroll down, you'll also see some electronic book collections. These are mostly reference books that will help you with looking up ideas and information about a discipline if you're not sure about it, or if you need to look up a fact or a statistic. Also on the research guide, you might find other tabs that are specialized for each area. In the case of psychology, there's a Tests and Measurements tabs that gives the special resources we have for this area. Look for those on each research guide for specialized resources. Finally, let's take a look at the Citations tab. There are citation tools available in many of our databases that can help you format your citations for the different styles we need to use. We also have examples of the citations that you might be using. In this case, APA pops up. It's the most popular one for psychology, and we show you the different resources and how to cite them. We'll talk about those later in another video. This time, we've looked at our research resources and navigating our subject guides. Just remember that if you have any questions, you can always contact the library for assistance in figuring out how to use it and finding what you need.